In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this in 20 seconds. First, go to the site remove.bg. Super easy site. It's free and it's amazing. So it's literally just drag and drop. So we're going to drag a JPEG onto it. Then it's going to do its thing. Then it's going to do its thing. And then here we go. Here is our cutout. So we have the original or the removed background, and then we just hit download. Instantly goes to our downloads. And then here it is, ready for us to use. Now let's drop this into Canva. Here I am in Canva, and I'm just going to drag and drop it into my background. So as you can see, it is a transparent background that we can make bigger, we can smaller, and let me show you what it looks like if we were to have this behind it. So we can position this backwards so that you can see here's the image of the transparent background. Now if we line it up to the edge, you can tell that the arm isn't cut off, but that's how it is in the photo.